first class train, man. We on first class train, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's got cocktails and everything. Isn't that cool, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys, and here's man.
Yep.
Yo, man, what you want to say, man?
Yeah, we're out in Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania from Papa G. And we're going to go on a train ride. And we are sophisticated cowboys, sexy cowboys. And check this bad boy out. This is the life here.
This is a first class train.
Yeah, baby.
First class, man.
Yeah. And we got it all to ourselves too, believe me.
We don't know that somebody else might come on, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. That's Annie Oakley.
Oh, man.